Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop settings. And in today's video, I'll show you how to rearrange or customize your Photoshop toolbar. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do right here from the top page in your Photoshop, go ahead and come to the top right here and make sure you navigate to Edit tab. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and come down below right here. Go ahead and click on Toolbar. Now you are here, you have access to all available toolbar in your Photoshop. Then here you can rearrange and recustomize, reposition your toolbar for easy access in your workflow as far as Photoshop is concerned. So for example, in this particular tutorial, I'm going to move my arts board to right here. I'm going to move it into lasso tool section right here. Just drag. Just drag and drop. Now you see that the artboard tool has moved to last two section right here. Then from the top here, I have only moved to right here. So you can rearrange and recustomize as many as possible. So let's take a look at another tool right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to move my slice tool. I want to move it from this section and then I want to move it to here. So you just drag and drop it here. So just like so, you see now that it has drastically moved. Now, while you are trying to customize or rearrange your toolbar, you also find the preview from your toolbar section right here. So you can see this is where my artboard is been located right here, and I have moved to only in these sections right here. So once you are done with every customize, you can move as many as possible to from this section right here to another section. Everything depends on your workflow and how you want to arrange your Photoshop toolbar. So once you are done with everything, then next thing you want to do is go ahead and come to the top right here, click on done, and it will come to be effect. So here we go. We have my move to alone right here, and we have my artboard to in the section here. So if I click and hold down, I have my artboard tool that is working with lasso tool, quick selection, etc. It's that simple. So you can customize, rearrange as many as possible in Photoshop toolbar. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Photoshop settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.